Westermans here with a set of pyramid bending rolls. Now power on them at the minute, rolls are not scored or battered. Year is 2009, it's a AHS 30/16, 3 metre. As you can see from the video, condition is obviously very good. Forwards or reverse. Rollers. Control box has to be moved for the limits. Front ones or back ones. All functions working as they should do. Middle roller up, and then obviously back down again. Control to move to the side again. End opening, and then back again. More details available on westermans.com on machine tools and other engineering welding equipment, and plasma CNC, laser welders, plus many more. Thank you for looking.